So, Gerard Kitts, you're the Treasury Manager at TenneT Holding, the Dutch transmission system operator, which also operates in Germany. And you're a big green bond issuer and have been for several years. So I wanted to ask, you issue green bonds in the public Eurobond market, but you've also done it in several other formats, including the US private placement and the Schuldschein market. So how do you find the green investors in those markets differ at all from the public market?
If you compare those markets, what we noticed, the green bond investors, let's say regular green bonds, there's a long track record in issuing green bonds in that market. So there's a lot of knowledge with the investors about the structure of green financing and what is actually financing and how it works with a second party opinion provider and with reporting every year. And if you compare that, for example, with the USPP market, then we were, for example, last year the first Dutch issuer in the green format in that market. So there, when you have debates there with investors on the greenness of an issue, then you are also talking more about the structure, how it works, what is actually an SPO provider. However, having said that, in both markets we notice really a strong focus from both from investors on ESG and also on green then in the end.
And so the USPP investors do care?
They do care, absolutely. However, there are some steps to take to get it at the same level as, let's say, the interests of the green bond investors.
Right. Okay, thank you. And you have also done a green hybrid capital bond, something quite unusual. You presumably found that a successful exercise. Why do you think more issuers haven't done that? It's
actually, that's a difficult question for me to answer, because I cannot speak for other issuers. I can only speak about our own issuance. And indeed it was, we did it in 2017 as first issuer ever actually. We issued a green hybrid. And there was a lot of interest from investors and an attractive pricing at that time. Maybe some other issuers have some concerns about the structuring of a green hybrid. However, then I have to say to those issuers that it's actually similar as how you structure a green bond. So hopefully more to follow then.
Okay, thank you. And there's also a group called the Corporate Forum on Sustainable Finance, which is a group of treasurers and finance officers from large companies that have formed this group. You're a founder member. What is the objective of the group?
This forum currently have 21 members, and we are covering 2/3 of the Euro green bond market. But also, and there are companies in the utility space, but also in the clean transportation sector and some other water companies, for example. And we have, let's say, joined our forces and our knowledge actually to bring the green bond market further. So and also leveraging our knowledge together, and also we want to be actively participating in all kind of discussions on the next steps in green financing. And also having dialogues with investors on what actually should be the next steps in all sustainable green financing. And that's the reason that we have actually bundled our forces.